Non!
Thanks. You're hit. Just nick me. I'll be fine. I'll hold them off. Go. Find Damien. Finish this.
Finissons-en. Bah par contre, meurs pas Greenway. S'il te plaît, on a perdu assez de poteaux comme ça.
James?
I'm here.
And Greenway?
He's busy entertaining a few of Damien's friends. I'm taking care of Webb Jr.
You do
Encore
know
perdu
he's
des
probably
armes.
walking you into a trap, don't you?
I know. I'm counting on it,
We have the evidence. Sir Nicholas, Damien, they're finished.
but I'm not.
Okay. Please be careful. That's an order.
I'll be careful.
Wouhou!
Come on, Damien, do your worst.
Aïe! Il est du genre à vouloir jouer les héros solitaires, Greenway. Ouais, j'ai l'impression, hein.
Alone at last.
Ou alors il veut pas...
Now what's that? A little liquid courage for what happens next.
Ah mais on s'est fait...
What there's? Oh no. This is so much more.
Qu'est-ce qu'il nous a injecté? Ah, il s'est injecté à lui.
It's a synthetic compound. It floods the endocrine system, elevating physical and mental awareness. It makes you faster, better, stronger.
Show me.
I thought you'd never ask.
Aïe. Aïe.
You still think you can stop me, James? You are outmatched and outsmarted. Don't you see? We've been ahead of you every step of the way.
You really do love the sound of your own voice, don't you? What now? Think, James. Think.
That's better. Shall we?
Can't let him get near me. I can't stop him. Maybe something here can.
Your little
Est-ce
video.
que je peux fuir comme ça?
Minor setback. You can't.
Can't face him head on. Is that really the best you've got?
Shame you won't live long enough to witness
You-
program.
Finally, something useful.
Aïe. Je m'en vais, Arrête, arrête, arrête.
I really. You don't get to do that again.
Je peux les allumer qu'une seule fois, les projecteurs?
Enough games. This ends right now.
The next one will cost you.
That video. It won't make a difference, James. None. Because you can't stand in the way.
You don't
get to do that again. You think you've won, James?
Joyau.
You're not even close to winning.
Un truc là-bas.
There, I can use that.
Voilà. Complicado, hein.
You still think you can stop me, James? You're... Can't let him get near me. I really wish you could have lived long enough to see what you're truly dealing with. And to even the odds. Is that really the best you've got? You think you've won, don't you?
Ah bah. Ouais, non.
No need to pull your punches, James. Your little... Enough games. This ends right now. No need to pull your punches, James. That video, it won't make a difference, James. None. Because... Is that really the best you've got? Finally, something useful. No need to pull your punches, James. You really did underestimate what we are truly capable of.
Faut Joyau après. Est-ce que je peux réutiliser peut-être Il va s'en remettre une dose? Ah! Est-ce que c'est aussi efficace dans l'œil? Je ne sais pas.
It's been fun, but I'm gonna have to break this off.
Ça avait l'air douloureux. Ça aussi. Oh purée, il est pas mort. Oh, le rire, on dirait le Joker.
Oh, James! James, you have such a way with words. You're hilarious! You haven't heard the punchline yet.
Ah!
Easy now. I've got you.
C'est un peu plus qu'une égratignure, Greenway.
Damien. It's done. He's gone. Okay, up we go, old man. Let's get you patched up. Oh, I thought you said it was just a scratch.
No, the wonders of adrenaline. Stop, Bob.
We need to get you to a hospital.
No, James. James.
Non mais Greenway, non?
But what do I do? I need you to tell me what to do.
Just sit for a bit. Sit and enjoy the view. did you come back for me? I thought you hated heroics.
Turns out I was wrong about that. You've got heart, Bond. You're just what we need right now. I don't know why I didn't see it before.
Because you're a miserable old bastard.
There is that. Will you do me a favor?
Anything.
Don't let it change you. Don't let it.
Is there anyone I should contact?
Oh, c'est horrible, tu le vois sombrer derrière là.
Greenway?
Je t'avais dit de pas mourir.
John.
Purée, on a déjà perdu trop de monde là. On va bientôt finir les seuls survivants avec Moni Penny.
There is no doubt that Britain is in a highly precarious situation. If this data is corroborated, it will indeed put an enormous strain.
Attention, please, everyone. 5 minutes ago, Sir Nicholas Webb informed us that if we ignore his demands, the next leak will be bigger and a lot closer to present day. Meaning that sources, assets, and even agents will be at risk. The diplomatic hit we have already taken is irreversibly detrimental to our national security, global interests, and Great Britain's standing in the world. Further jeopardizing that is not an option. It has been decided to accept Webb's demands and grant him immunity. Giving in is not giving up. Quite the contrary, we do this to protect the country we all love. It is time to stand down. Thank you.
Je voudrais pas dire, mais elle a aucun respect pour les PC parce qu'elle est quand même montée sur une tour pour pouvoir monter sur le bureau. Hein.
Bond, congratulations. Your performance in Vietnam proved beyond a doubt you'll make an excellent 00.
What are you doing? We can't let Webb get away with this.
What we do is my call. The world's not fair, Bond. I thought Greenway taught you that.
Don't bring Greenway into this.
M, we have to go. The Prime Minister's waiting.
Moneypenny will debrief you, then go home and get some well-deserved rest.
All I'm saying is that it could be a giant bluff. I'm just not convinced that he's got anything more recent.
Hey, move, man.
Oh, pardon. Je suis bouleversée.
Security around there is impregnable, I'm sure of it.
Je savais pas dans quel sens je devais aller.
If anyone can breach it, it'd be him.
That's not how it works, though. It's physically impossible.
Glad I'm not M.
Or Bright for that matter. Always so charming, Webb. That used to cause a lot of envy.
Immunity? After all he's done?
I'm sorry about Greenway, James, but
Well, she's not.
she's doing her job. And she's doing it well.
And that's it. You're happy to just walk away.
No, but I also have a job to do. I wrote some code to stress test some of their safety layers, and I'm going down there now. But I can see that you're not done ranting. Come, walk with me.
Thea is a complete scam. Webb lied to MI6 for more than a decade. He started out using the 00 program as a scapegoat, destroying 009 and Greenway's lives. Cressida and the other recruits dead or maimed. Monroe? But how the hell has it come to this?
He's been one step ahead all along. He has a sixth sense, I swear.
He doesn't need one. He's monitoring his own tech, and we've let him.
Step inside, will you? Actually, we are certain that he hasn't. 2 full sweeps and a 3rd one concluding as we speak. Thea isn't and never was compromised.
Come on, Moneypenny. We saw it at Web HQ, and Damien pretty much confirmed it.
Nevertheless, no breach has ever occurred.
Then explain to me how they could have a whole department at Web Industries dedicated to sifting out Thea's mistakes if they didn't have a live feed of everything Thea ever delivered. We didn't make that up, Moneypenny.
What can I say? Unless Webb has some quantum entangled mirror computer, it's just not possible.
Hang on. Hyperion. That's gotta be it.
What?
It was something Damien said. In Greek mythology, Hyperion is Thea's brother and consort. That makes perfect sense.
No, it doesn't. Tech like that is sci-fi, doesn't exist. Probably never will.
Yeah, but what if it did? What would you have to do to eliminate the threat?
If it were that simple, destroy or remove the core, and you'd render the quantum cloud meaningless.
The data can't be read without the core.
Nope. The core is the magic key.
Wait, you're not actually buying any of this, are you?
What if it's true, though? We can make this whole thing disappear.
But it's not. Okay. And I am with them on this. We have no choice but to give in. Even if we had solid intel, a gamble like that would be reckless, beyond any sense. It'd go against MI6's very reason to exist. It would be high treason. So you won't do anything stupid?
Of course not. I'm not an idiot.
Promise me, James.
Cross my heart. Sorry, Moneypenny. This idiot's about to rob QLab.
On va faire des bêtises.
Bond. I just wanted to check in. Where is everyone?
I sent them all home. Come, join me. Don't do it.
What?
Blame yourself. I knew him for 25 years. The good years and what came after. Operation Nightfall changed him. He slipped into darkness. Never could find his way out until you came along. The first light in more than a decade. And he came back. More alive than ever. And thanks to you, he went out with a bang and not with a whimper. And if that's not a reason to celebrate, then I don't know what is. To Greenway. And to you, James. Salut. Don't forget to turn out the lights when you leave.
Je suis sûr qu'il sait ce qu'on va faire, lui.
To get the Hyperion, I'll need an edge. A new watch, a pistol, and whatever else Q's got lying around.
Journal personnel de Q. Suite à la dernière mission de Bond au Vietnam, j'ai déterminé que l'équipement nécessite des tests de résistance supplémentaires avant d'être remis à un agent. Mais quel brise-fer! Les modèles de Q-Watch seront déplacés et soumis à d'autres évaluations dans la salle de test de résistance. Le pistolet Q a passé la première inspection et a été envoyé à l'armurerie pour des tests complémentaires. Le reste de l'équipement doit subir une évaluation plus approfondie dans le cadre des tests des gadgets.
It was the first of a new batch. And it was in the stress test chamber.
Alors... Stress test. Passez la main. Ils vont pas du tout savoir que c'est nous qui sommes venus en dernier.
Credentials incorrect. Access denied.
Playing favorites, eh? Q has total access. All I need's a fingerprint.
Ah,
What
bah
was
le
the
verre.
last thing he touched?
Il a malencontreusement oublié sa note personnelle en plein milieu de son bureau. Note personnelle où tout est écrit. Il a volontairement partagé un verre avec nous. Ah, pour moi, il est pas idiot. Il y a du scotch juste à côté. Allez.
Damn. It's only a partial print.
Il a fait renvoyer tout le monde.
Print.
Non, non, c'est... C'est trop. C'est trop, Q. Quoi? Trouver plus d'empreintes. Ah. Sur la note, peut-être. Je sais pas si on peut récupérer. Il va mourir, du coup. Bah non. Bah non. Pauvre Q. Une deuxième note. Le cube présente des tensions étranges ces derniers temps. J'ai constaté les problèmes similaires avec le Valhalla l'autre jour. Demain, je comparerai les deux pour voir s'il y a un lien. En attendant, il est rangé dans l'entrepôt. C'est ce qui se passe quand on essaye de t'aider, on dirait. C'est horrible. T'es un peu en train de dire que tous ceux qui m'aident sont en train de crever, quoi. Non mais ok, pas de souci. Hein. Je le prends pas mal du tout. Hein.
Oh, smudged and flame grilled. Useless.
Aïe, je me suis fait électrocuter. Ah, j'ai recommencé.
At last. One whole print. Now let's see if I'm right.
Moi j'ai dit ça? Non, pas du tout. Non.
Identity verified. Welcome back, Q.
Maybe I would have made a half-decent agent after all.
Q credentials inconclusive. Running diagnostics.
Don't worry, I'll be in and out.
Ah, c'est erroné, du coup on va peut-être se retrouver enfermé dedans. Registre de la chambre de déflagration. Séquence de démarrage initialisée, verrouillage de la chambre confirmé, début du compte à rebours, explosion déclenchée niveau 9. Commentaire, le blindage a passé les tests haut la main, il reste à effectuer des diagnostics sur les systèmes internes, mais toute personne à l'intérieur du véhicule devrait être en sécurité. Incroyable. Pour utiliser l'incinérateur, à utiliser avec précaution. Un usage incorrect peut provoquer un incendie. Vérifiez que le verrou situé au-dessus de la porte est activé. Assurez-vous que le débit de carburant n'est pas trop élevé. Les commandes de carburant se trouvent en hauteur. Utilisez l'échelle. Ah, une montre Q qui est bien mise en évidence.
Promise to take better care of this one.
Q not detected.
What?
Initiating.
No, wait. Now, how do I get out of here?
Protocole de verrouillage. Le protocole doit être révisé. Actuellement, il peut se déclencher par erreur. Des personnes peuvent se retrouver coincées à l'intérieur. Certains équipements cessent complètement de fonctionner, y compris la sortie de secours. Pour l'instant, la seule solution consiste à déclencher ce que la salle reconnaît comme une situation d'urgence. Je préférerais éviter avoir à déclencher un incendie ou mettre la chambre de déflagration hors service, juste pour pouvoir en sortir.
Explosion chamber lockdown engaged.
You're taking this lockdown quite seriously, aren't you?
Incinérateur.
Stress ignition activated.
Let's turn up that heat.
Ah, d'où utiliser l'échelle, machin. Du coup là, on peut ramasser ça.
Explosion chamber lockdown disengaged.
Shutter lock gone. Nothing to it.
Du coup là, on vient de mettre l'incinérateur à fond. Ça va exploser le truc.
Access granted.
Ah, et là, on peut prendre ça.
What's a beauty like you doing in a place like this?
Ah, et là, on monte dans la voiture et ça va tout péter. Mais on est en sécurité parce qu'elle a passé tous les crash tests. Avant toute chose, il y a un bouton là.
Damn, just a cupboard. Full of explosives.
La porte se fermera automatiquement lors du déclenchement du compte à rebours de l'explosion.
Closes when the countdown is triggered.
Ok.
Okay. Let's not stick around.
Explosion
Cover.
test commencing
Fast.
in 10,
This car's blast proof and
9,
better be field ready.
8,
Q.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stress testing. Aptly named.
Furnace
Full flown
deactivated.
spark may be the answer.
On a tout fait péter. Mais encore. J'ai fait le crash test de ce truc-là.
Explosion test commencing in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now we're
Furnace
talking.
ignition activated.
I just need to unleash the inferno.
Attends, c'était quoi le truc de l'incinérateur là? Un usage incorrect peut provoquer un incendie. Vérifie que le verrou situé au-dessus de la porte est activé, que le débit n'est pas trop élevé.
I doubt caution will get me out of here.
Il doit me manquer un truc. Ah, mais j'ai pas le code ici. Changer le code régulièrement. Pour le changer, toujours utiliser un code à 4 chiffres. Le code doit toujours se rapporter au sujet de test lui-même. Mise à jour immédiatement à l'arrivée d'un nouveau sujet de test.
I wonder what's inside.
On trouve un sujet de test.
Laser charged and operational.
Well, this might open a few doors.
Je peux utiliser les lasers.
Safety lock gone. Fire hazard coming up.
Safety protocols initiated. Fire exit active. Please evacuate immediately.
How's that for burning bridges?
Ok. Prends bien ton temps pour rentrer dans la voiture. Bon.
CQ? Didn't even know I was here.
C'est vrai, il va pas du tout retrouver son laboratoire dans un état
What
pitoyable
shiny
demain.
new toys have you left for me, Bridget?
Alors, j'ai droit à 4 gadgets. Lucky Watch, on la met là. En vrai, le missile. Hein. Le missile, c'est trop fort. Je me reprendrais bien le bracelet laser, je pense. Et puis, du coup... Ah, attends, la montre, c'est électrique. Le bracelet, c'est électrique. Le stylo, c'est chimique, donc il me faudrait soit la mine, soit les fumigènes, soit les fléchettes. Ça, c'est les mines étourdissantes, là. Après, la caméra, on l'a encore pas utilisée. Hein. Ça, c'est parfait sur les blindages. Ça peut être pratique, non? Elle est jolie, en tout cas, la caméra. Oui. Beautiful. Mais tous les trucs sont vachement stylés, parce que là, t'as l'impression que c'est des AirPods, puis en fait, c'en est pas. Hmm. T'auras peut-être un succès pour avoir utilisé tous les gadgets en mission. Ah, c'est possible. C'est possible. Après, c'est juste que le bracelet, c'est vachement pratique, parce que si tu veux pirater des trucs, ouvrir... Ah, quoique. Attends, le bracelet laser. Perturber un ennemi et les appareils électroniques. Vas-y, on va tester la caméra à la place du bracelet.
Just the pistol to go.
Hop. Bonjour. C'est pas du tout enfumé, hein. Pas du tout. Stress testing. Pas du tout en train de cramer. Je me rappelle plus par contre le pistolet. Ça, c'est la moto. Peut-être de ce côté. Hein. C'est pas là. Wearable. Allez, viens, on va voir les wearables. Est-ce qu'on peut choisir une nouvelle tenue?
Yeah. I could pull this off.
Ah, mais j'ai débloqué une nouvelle tenue en prenant le chapeau, du coup. Alors ça nous fait sortir. Parce que j'ai vu nouvel objet de collection. Le fait de fouiller, ça débloque des trucs. Faut pas débloquer la robe? Ce serait drôle. Bon. Ah! Shooting range, armory. Armory, d'ailleurs. Nécessite un code. Il nous faut trouver un code de
Okay, so what
sécurité.
code would Waters use for a room full of guns?
Là, on peut s'entraîner. Ah, une note. Water, le tableau des scores déconne. J'ai battu votre score la semaine dernière. Pas besoin de changer le code encore une fois. Contentez-vous de corriger le bug, Brooks.
The high score. Seriously, Waters?
13-24 du coup, si on fait Waters. On rappelle que c'était 12 le code l'autre coup. Voilà, c'est un 2, 3, 4 modifié quoi.
Armory access granted.
Too easy.
Une carte d'accès. Mhm. Là, on va pouvoir passer par là, mais est-ce qu'il y a autre chose à prendre? Un pistolet de service.
Hello there. I've been looking everywhere for you. That's everything. Time to go.
Au moins, on passe pas par les égouts cette fois.
Cease fire. Personnel detected on range.
Ah, mais je pensais que c'était par là qu'il fallait sortir, moi. On va récupérer la moto. Non? Oh. Il va y avoir quelqu'un dans l'ascenseur. Non? Oh. On n'avait pas éteint les lumières.
Hello, James.
I wondered if you'd made it out alive.
With the 7 kinds of hell you raised, I practically walked out the front door.
Happy to be of assistance. What do you want?
Get to Webb, same as you.
Webb's finished. Disgraced and on the run. What makes you think I care?
Please, don't kid a kidder.
Let's hear it.
It's simple. You know where he is. I have the means to get us there.
And I don't.
Nice try, James. But we both know you're about to burn all bridges. Besides, I already know he's somewhere in the Antarctic Circle. So unless you plan to join a whaling crew, I'm your best shot. I pinned the location. We leave in 24 hours. Bring your trunks.
Well, when one door closes...
Passe par là. On a mis le feu à la moitié du labo et on éteint la lumière en partant, on n'est pas des animaux. Oui. Il a demandé à ce qu'on éteigne les lumières et il n'avait pas précisé sans mettre le feu.
See you, Bond.
Take it easy.
Je sais pas pourquoi j'avais ce sentiment qu'on allait se faire alpaguer avant de sortir là.
You leaving, James?
Afraid so.
Well, hell of a thing you did. See you around.
C'est vrai, c'est entièrement sa faute finalement. Bah oui. Il a juste dit éteignez les lumières en partant. Moi, je suis sûr, il savait.
What's this?
Vodka martini. Shaken, not stirred.
What's the difference?
I want what I want, James.
Lui, il se la coule douce en attendant. Le bateau, il tourne tout seul, vous avez vu?
When you offered me a ride, I was expecting something a little more airborne.
What can I say? I prefer comfort over speed.
I certainly wouldn't mind your expense account.
Sure it could be arranged?
Who are you really? No tricks this time.
You know who I am. I'm a thief.
That's a job description.
But we are what we do, James. Not to mention what we wear.
I don't buy all this.
Oh?
This is more than a job to you. You pretend to serve no cause, but you wouldn't risk so much for a simple paycheck, not unless you have skin in the game.
Il tourne tout seul, bah oui, il y avait personne aux
Thief.
commandes et puis
It's not what
la
you
barre,
think.
elle tournait toute seule, j'ai vu. Et t'as même pas fini ton vodka
Try me.
martini, c'est grave. Bah attends, je vais d'être servi, oh. Ça se
How did
déguste
your
une
parents
vodka
die,
martini.
James?
Doing something they loved.
Not mine. They died doing something they knew was right. And I'm going to finish it.
What? You're going to kill him. What happened to them?
They worked on the Thea project, but couldn't live with the deceit. They didn't know who to trust. Webb was already too big to fail. So they turned to the Americans. Except their plane never made it across the Atlantic. Technical malfunction, according to the FAA. I, of course, knew better.
I'm very sorry.
I don't need your pity. Just stay out of my way and I'll stay out of yours.
I've upset you. You know, I understand this whole no strings routine. I was on my own for a long time. The thing is, those strings don't hold you back. They keep you up.
Your career with MI6 might be over, but you have a bright future writing fortune cookies.
I hit a nerve.
You must be quite the marksman. What do you plan to do about it?
Ah, bonjour. On a de la compagnie.
目的地に到着した。
エコワンラジャー、20分に合流します。やっぱり1時間ください。
Oh, les tenues changent de couleur. On est des caméléons.
Is this normal? I don't mingle a lot with billionaires.
A client of mine runs a cryptovault out of an old nuclear bunker in the Hindu Kush. I figure normal is a spectrum. Would you mind?
exactly are we breaking into?
Web Industries' fabled R&D facility. All the greatest breakthroughs were developed right here. That includes the big brain in your basement. I knew about it, just not its exact location. What can I say? Sir Nicholas takes industrial espionage very seriously.
People want to come here.
You better believe it. It's the ultimate golden ticket.
Still, what's wrong with a tropical island?
Maybe the lease was cheap?
Optic camouflage, self-heating smart fabric. My compliments to your tailor.
And you sure wear it well.
Eyes on the bad guys.
Oh, regardez-moi ça comme c'est beau. Ah, j'arrive.
Cable car station's up ahead.
Steep climb. Sentries?
Expect so. If I can reach that comms relay, I can jam the signal. Should give us an edge.
You brought toys. Nifty.
Here, give me a boost.
Why am I getting deja vu?
I said I was sorry.
Did you?
I'm sure I did. Meet you at the gatehouse.
She brings a submarine, thermal smartware, jamming device. But does she bring a rope? Look at you go.
Eyes on the bad guys, James.
Oh, now this is where those penalty pull-ups pay off.
J'ai entendu un garde. Je sais pas où ils sont.
Now what?
Et bah maintenant... Fin de la mission, c'est un peu ça. C'est pas moi. Ah, une grotte. Ah mais c'est ma montre qui fait des trucs rouges.
Now what have we here?
Fait de la lumière. Oh c'est stylé. Bon, on sait pas où jusqu'où ça descend, mais on veut pas savoir. Je me suis toujours demandé quand j'étais dans les conduits d'aération pourquoi d'un coup il y avait du rouge. Je viens de comprendre, c'est ma montre. Un hélicoptère. Bonjour. Faites pas trop bien votre boulot de garde quand même.
Your client, it's the CIA.
That's so?
They advances made MI6 top dog in the spy community. I bet the CIA would love to get back in the lead. Webb is the key, but they know he's too patriotic to defect. So they hired you to dig up some dirt on him. When I exposed him, he became a liability. If Webb leaks our secrets, the CIA take a hit as well. This is all just damage control.
Quite the theory.
Oula.
What was that?
Climate change.
What, too soon?
Close call. So how did I do?
Yeah, no. Not even close.
Really thought I was onto something there. Cable car's leaving.
New arrivals. Mostly senior staff from London HQ. Hopefully we'll be able to blend right in.
It's a big operation.
Webb's rounding up his lieutenants before MI6 can put the thumbscrews on them. It's what I would have done.
You don't say. Reach the lower platform. I see a way in, but there are guards up ahead.
Well, comms are down. We contain it quickly and they won't be able to reach the alarm. You take the one on the right. I'll take the one on the left.
Deal.
Hell, everyone's on edge.
That wasn't necessary.
Means to an end.
That's your way, not mine.
Eggs and omelets, James. I'll meet you up top.
Ah, je sais pas si... parce que lui, il y a un silencieux. Du coup, ils vont tous avoir le même. J'ai pas trop le choix, hein. Ah, lui, il avait une mitraillette. Ah, lui aussi. Il y a des gardes là.
You okay? Hey.
Oh, il y a lui là. Vas-y, viens. Hop là. Totale discrétion. Par contre, faudrait me redonner des balles de pistolet. S'il vous plaît. Ah, il y a un mec là-bas.
Can you hear me? Better stop right now.
Ok. N'oubliez pas de vous hydrater non plus, vodka martini pour tous. Alors non, on ne prône pas on prône pas l'alcool quand même. C'est toujours avec modération, mais par contre tu fais bien. Buvez de l'eau. L'eau c'est bien. Non, non, l'alcool c'est pas de l'eau là. Non, 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 non. Pas vraiment le même effet. Hein. Ton cerveau, il y a une des boissons qui va beaucoup plus tolérer que l'autre. Hein. Ton corps en général aussi. L'eau. buvez de l'eau, uniquement de l'eau. Oh, une carte. Qu'est-ce qu'on a ici? On a rien. Ah ouais. Aïe, tu vois, Wizbot, il a dit hydrate-toi.
So far, so good. Next stop, cable car.
It's not a ski resort. We'll need staff IDs to board. Found a couple of newcomers and relieved them of their ID bracelets.
Oh, who knew Spycraft involved so much petty theft? And what'll you be doing?
Laying low. I told you, a lot of familiar faces inside. I can't risk someone blowing my cover. Call if you need assistance, though.
Fine. Sit tight.
Regarde, il a encore lâché sa mitraillette, là. La mitraillette, elle était là. J'ai vu.
Norris and Vincent, you may pick up your ID bracelet at the HR counter. Norris and Vincent, your ID bracelet is ready.
I'm the company's executive performance coach. I'm pretty much the living embodiment of someone who's heard too much.
Yes. I can see why they'd want you out of the way. But you
still at the gatehouse, waiting to get my ID.
You could have just refused to come here.
Okay, get me up to speed here. How many ID bracelets have we signed off on?
7, I think. No.
Liste des RH. Kowalski, Trench, Lopez, Saint-Vincent, Somerset, Yamazaki. Hop. Non, 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 Mickey. Oh, t'es lourd, mon chat. Yamazaki, McKillian et Larson ont tous reçu leur bracelet électronique. Donc il faut pas qu'on sorte un de ces noms-là.
Did Norris and Vincent pick up her ID yet?
Yep, just now. She was heading over to the lounge. Poor thing was so strung out on sleeping pills, she could barely see straight.
Outrageous. Of all the historical injustices I've encountered, yours, Stanley, is surely the most grievous. Do I detect the scent of envy?
Elle est allée vers le lounge.
No, that would be my sandwich. This is sarcasm.
I noticed when we flew in. Let's see. Trench, Lopez, Larson. Check.
Ah, ça doit être la dame qui dort.
Yeah, everyone's accounted for. Except this one engineer who threw a fit and refused to get on the cable car. Some type of anxiety attack. Don't worry, he's not about to do a runner. I'm monitoring his tracking chip on my phone. Last thing we need is an outbreak of mass hysteria.
Found a lead on an ID. I need access to an HR person's phone.
Try a proximity hack. It worked wonders at the web gala.
Very funny.
Give it to Colin. I have bigger fish to fry.
On avait une opportunité de pirater le téléphone. Hop.
Nigel, Gatehouse HR? We could use another couple of hands down here to sort out IDs. Your rivals are getting restless. Yes, well, let Miriam know when she's out of her meeting. Yeah, it's Nigel. I have a hysterical engineer on my hands who refuses to go on the cable car. Permission to sedate? We all know panic is contagious. Fine. Had to ask. What's this? Remote hacking attempt detected. Defensive software engaged.
Ah ouais?
Are these notifications even real?
Well?
The hack failed. They must have built in an extra layer of encryption.
No.
Looks like I'm gonna have to nick the phone.
You do like petty theft.
Appreciates your compliance. We are working tirelessly to resolve this unfortunate crisis and return you to your loved ones as soon as possible. Memorize it.
Just wait till you see it for the first time.
Oh, une boule à neige.
This great big structure emanating from the mist. It's rather special.
I bet.
How long has the site been operational?
It was completed back in 2009. They built the
Faudrait que
outer
je
shell
détourne
on
l'attention.
site. Smaller modules were assembled in the Falklands and shipped here by freighter.
Can't even imagine the cost.
Can't believe I'm
Je peux aller voir par là-bas.
It's literally all I've thought about since I joined the company.
Not the way I'd imagined, though.
Is that Nora St. Vincent? Look, she's even got her ID bracelet. Should have been on the cable car. Nora! Rise and shine, Nora.
Don't let her sleep for a while. She's dead to the world. Nora St. Vincent. Sleeping on the job.
Faut pas du tout
Well,
qu'elle ait
someone
compris
has
que
to
c'était
check.
moi qui l'avais allumé.
That's me, all alone. Brilliant.
Comment je le distrais lui?
That sorted it.
Ah.
Hey, what's that?
Is it just me, or is something or someone moving around?
Ok. On va reprendre les piles.
Well, it's
Avec un parpaing dans la tête. Mais quelle violence aujourd'hui, dites donc. On a eu le bracelet, maintenant il faudrait qu'on pique un téléphone.
That doesn't mean anything.
C'était ça, hein? Prendre le téléphone du responsable. Le téléphone est crypté, ne peut pas être piraté. Ah, faut lui piquer. Il sera comme ça après. J'avoue.
Moral hiccups when I got that promotion.
Tac. Comment que là, je peux juste détourner l'attention avec l'ordi.
What the hell could that be? What have we got here? Oh, what's... that's it.
Comment je vais pouvoir...
Yeah?
Better to have a look. What was that? Oh, I guess it's okay now.
Ah, je peux pas passer par au-dessus. Ah si, je peux passer par au-dessus ici. Ah oui, et puis du coup, je peux me cacher là.
Huh? What could it be? A burglar? A cat? A crazy axe murderer?
Yes, I'll take a little look then.
Euh
What could... Looks... Oh, okay, that's it.
Wait.
What's that?
What the hell could that be?
Mate, you shouldn't
Ok,
really
ok.
be here.
Genre, il a rien vu. Bah oui, non mais...
Tanner, security office. Building AI flagged a potential fire in the cooling system. Pretty sure it's a glitch, but I gotta check.
Right. Well, don't let me stop you.
Cheers.
What the hell?
Ah, enfin.
Somerset David. Got you.
Mon bracelet. On te voit essayer de lui piquer sa carte en fonçant sur lui en discutant. Mais non, ça passe pas. Bah, J'ai essayé. Un ingénieur paniqué doté d'un bracelet actif est retranché dans un coin du poste de garde. Ah, donc faut que je trouve le poste de garde.
Okay, but just consider where you are for a moment. Web R&D.
Press room. C'est les toilettes, hein, je sais. Ah.
Somerset?
Yeah? Who's this?
Fellow traveler. Can we talk? Why did they relocate you?
Before I joined robotics, I worked at a university research center doing circuit engineering on a quantum computing project. For some reason, they put me on the extraction list. Don't know why, and don't care to find out.
Come on, mate. What's going on with you?
What's going on with me? My God, why can't anyone else see what this is? Webb is blackmailing the government, and they must be planning an armed response. So, management brought us here as human shields. When the bootnecks arrive, how do you think this is going to play out?
Try not to think about it. Hang on.
Opportunité cachée, j'ai pas eu. Il me manque un... Il me manquerait un truc.
We'll deal with this when I get back. Just tell them I love them.
Après, je peux aller voir en bas. Hein. Je peux pas aller voir dehors non plus. Il y a des gens qui parlent.
45 minutes for my ID.
Okay, but just consider where you are for a moment. Web R&D, Harry.
Ah.
Bet Trench is enjoying a hot bath by now.
Oh, don't remind me. Say, what's going on with your mate? He looked pale as a sheet on the ride-in. Afraid of flying?
No. Some sort of stress-induced anxiety attack. I must say, I'm rather worried about him. He wasn't built for this sort of pressure. I'm gonna have a word with management.
You're a good friend, Kieran.
Je pense qu'on peut retourner voir notre cher ami. Et eux, on peut leur parler ou pas?
I'm here for my ID bracelet.
I'm afraid you'll have to wait your turn. We have a lot of people to process. I'll call your name in due time.
Somehow I doubt that.
Was about high treason? Trust me, love. The less you know, the better. Why did they drag you down here then? They didn't actually. I'm on the human machine. I have bigger fish to fry. I didn't know about the prices.
Listen, David. Your pal Kieran is working on a plan to get you on the next chopper out, but he needs your ID to authorize the transfer order. He sent me to fetch it.
Kieran did that. But how do I know I can trust you?
You don't need to open the door. Just slide it under.
Okay. Here goes.
Nice one. Hang in there. I'll be in touch.
Bless you.
IDs are in the bag.
Good. Meet me by the cable car.
Allez, merci Somerset. Faut que j'aille en bas.
Well done. Who do we get?
I'm David Somerset, Senior Robotics Engineer, and you are Nora St. Vincent, Webb's private masseuse.
You're kidding me.
Yeah. Yeah, I am.
Touché.
After you.
Scanning. Nora St. Vincent. Nanomechanics Department. Security level 1. Please proceed. Scanning. David Somerset. Robotics Department.